In a quaint little town, nestled between rolling hills and a sparkling brook, stood an old house, shrouded in mystery and tales. The house, with its weathered brick walls and ivy vines, had been a silent witness to the town's history for centuries. One day, a curious young boy named Timothy moved into the old house. He was always eager to explore and uncover the secrets hidden within its walls. As he settled into his new home, he felt a strange connection to the house, as if it were whispering tales of the past. Timothy began his investigation, delving into the house's history. He found old letters, yellowed newspapers, and dusty books, each piece of the past revealing more about the house's history. He discovered that the house was built in the 1800s by a wealthy merchant who had dreams of making the town a thriving metropolis. As he delved deeper, Timothy found a hidden room, a secret chamber tucked away behind a bookcase. Inside, he found a diary written by the merchant himself. The diary revealed that the merchant had buried a treasure somewhere in the town, and the clues were hidden within the house. With the diary in hand, Timothy set out to solve the merchant's riddles. He spent days deciphering the clues, following the merchant's footsteps, and exploring every nook and cranny of the town. The adventure was exhilarating, and Timothy felt a sense of purpose and excitement he had never experienced before. After weeks of searching, Timothy finally found the treasure. It was a chest filled with gold coins and precious gems, a testament to the merchant's wealth. But the true treasure, he realized, was the knowledge he had gained, the history he had uncovered, and the friendship he had formed with the old house. The discovery changed Timothy. He was no longer just a curious boy, he was a historian, a storyteller, a treasure hunter. The old house had not only given him a treasure, but it had also given him a purpose. From then on, Timothy dedicated his life to preserving the town's history, sharing the stories of the old house, and inspiring others to seek out their own adventures. The old house continued to stand, a silent guardian, watching over the town and the boy who had brought its story to life. And so, the tale of the old house continues, a reminder that sometimes the greatest treasures are not gold and gems, but the knowledge, experiences, and friendships we gain along the way.